Bye. I see how beautiful our car is. Like. Okay. Hi guys, she's leaving.
Bye bye.
Bye. Hey. My baby is vlogging.
Soft slice bread. So tell my friend that I'm making hand bread and
I am a soldier and a battlefield, waiting to hear the voice of my commander. Jesus, if you call my name, I will answer a billion times.
So guys, this is the look. I'll show you the fit. So I'm going to wear wig on this my head because I don't just have the strength. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. This is the finished look. I bought the wrap top, put on my wig, my pants, and then this flat shirt with this brown bag. See you guys in church. Happy Sunday. Hi guys, so today is Monday and I'm on my way to work. The driver is already outside, so this is the fit. The pants from yesterday, changed the shirt, my laptop, my handbag, and my coffee. Hi guys, Jesus Christ, this house will not kill me. So guys, don't mind them, they just brought it back. See, I look like I'm not alive. And I'm so tired, I can't lie, like, I'm so tired. This was the fit for today. Like, I even dressed, like, it's like I knew today was going to be stressful. I dressed for the occasion. But anyways, I will just see you guys soon. I just want to eat, do my Thanksgiving tonight, then sleep. That's all. I'm supposed to give you guys house updates, but I need time to give you guys the house updates when there's updates, because even me, I'm not updated. So yeah, bye guys. No, Pepe. Let me say hi.
Hi.
So guys, en route. Is it? I have a problem. Is it en route or en route? It doesn't know. Okay, it's en route. Okay, en route to Harvester's Fun and Trade Fair. So yeah, okay. You come from China, come and correct me. Then go away. Trade and Fun Fair. Yeah. So that's where we are. I was supposed to show you guys the outfit when I was at home, but this person came and I got confused. I was not rushing because we're already late. Not like there's a time, but well, it will soon be over. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I get there.
So,
got a new car. I see how beautiful our car is, like so beautiful. And the name of the car is Amma. No, the car's name is Dora. So beautiful. We're at church, so yeah. Our new car. And my driver. You know, like I have to get a driver since I just got a new car. Yay! My driver is not feeling fine. I'm sorry. Yeah, we're in our car. Newest passenger princess reporting live. It's too far. I'm going to cut it. Hi guys. It's late. Yeah. But this day here, I was doing since. I was just doing a bunch of things. So I'm traveling to Lagos. Today is Tuesday. Yes. I'm traveling to Lagos on Saturday. The most impromptu trip ever. But you think that it's not impromptu because this is Tuesday and I'm traveling on Saturday. But it's impromptu. I don't even plan on packing today. I'll probably start packing tomorrow. I have a client's wig to revamp, to deliver on Sunday. So I'll start today because I'm traveling on Saturday. And then, yeah. But see, my hair is long. But all this, yeah, will soon be gone. Anyways, so yeah, I just came to fill you guys in. I don't even know what is in this vlog. I don't know if I'm filming anything. I don't know if the Lagos vlog will be with this vlog. I'm not sure. But yeah, the cornrows are very neat. Very, very neat. I like it. And it was cheap, I think. But anyways, I'm not going to ramble. Yeah, so we'll see you guys when next I pick up my camera. Yeah, I think that's it.